Hey everyone, this is Marilyn with WC Finishing Touch. Hey, so I had acquired my grandparents' house, and while I was cleaning out the basement, I found this Singer sewing machine with a missing drawer in the corner covered with stuff. It had been in the basement for decades. Now, this sewing machine had belonged to my grandfather's mother, Lorenza, and my grandfather's sister, Alice, had been using it until around 1976, based upon a receipt for parts and confirmation from my dad. My great aunt Alice had Sears attach a motor and foot pedal to the sewing machine. That's that blue motor that you see. And inside the drawers, I found hardware and sewing supplies that belonged to my great Aunt Alice. At first, I was just going to clean it up, but then ended up restoring it. I looked online for pictures of the machine to get as close as possible how it originally looked. I stained the wood a Bombay mahogany because the penetrating stain of said color was used originally. I researched the serial number online in the Singer website and other websites. This sewing machine model was made in 1910. The sewing machine is very heavy, and the base slash stand can hold the weight because it's made of iron also. I had removed the Sears motor mechanism from the sewing machine. The sewing machine has these colorful decals on it, so I cleaned it with just some mild soap and water. I had completed this project many years ago of my great grandmother's Singer sewing machine. Now, while going through the basement again, I did find the missing drawer. So it was in the ceiling with the pipes. So I went ahead and refinished the drawer and I attached it to the cabinet. Now, attaching that drawer to the cabinet was a little difficult, but I was able to get it on. Thanks for watching the picture video and my homage to my great grandmother, Lorenza. I hope you enjoyed watching the past become the present.